everybody, welcome to my channel. Nicole here from my Pandora Charmed Life. Today's video is going to be a Pandora haul video on the recent sales that Pandora just had going on in the United States. Now, Pandora did something kind of funky with their sale that they had before the buy more, get up to 50% off sale that they just did. I had gotten an online exclusive email that said if I bought $150 worth of items that I would get 30% off. And this included like their newer stuff. So I had to take advantage of that and grab just a few things to allow me to qualify for the 30% off. And then I was gonna be done. I actually wasn't going to take advantage of the buy more, save more sale because it's all the items that are going to be retiring. I'd already had everything that I wanted, so I wasn't gonna look. But then I got an email from Denmark Style that they were also honoring that sale as well. And they have a lot of just really older retired pieces that I love and I've been wanting to get. So I took a look to see, are these going to be part of the sale? And they were. So stay tuned to look at what I got from the Pandora e-store for the online exclusive sale, and then what I got from Denmark Style for the 50% off sale. The first charms I'm going to show you are going to be the charms that I got during the weird and confusing online exclusive sale that some people got, some didn't, and the ones who did get them, well, it wasn't quite the same. But many of you know I've had my eye on the Toy Story alien charm. When I had done a Collector's Corner interview with Dora from The Art of Pandora, she had asked what Disney charm would you like to see come out in the future, and I totally mentioned the Toy Story alien. I just love this little guy ever since the original Toy Story. It just takes me back to not even my childhood. I was a teenager, but this guy, he was my jam, and I had little Toy Story aliens all over the place, and I carried them all over with me. So, close-up look at this little guy. He's got his 3 eyes, he has his little antenna, his little pointed ears. If you can get a close-up look right here, notice he has a little Pizza Planet logo on his shirt. And then he has blue enamel on his belt, and the back also has the blue enamel. On the bottom you have a little air hole for, you know, he's a little squeaker toy, so that's even included in this design. You have the Disney stamp on one side and then the Pandora stamp on the other. So cute. I did get 2 of these. Presley 1012. It is already on her bracelet. The next charm that I picked during this sale was this suitcase charm. It is the Love Travel suitcase charm. I was really torn on whether or not I wanted to get this because I loved that Pandora came out with a dangle suitcase charm, which has like the stars and hearts on that suitcase, and it's a dangle. So I picked that up right away because, well, it's awesome and matches one of my suitcases. But then like they had back-to-back releases of suitcases, so okay Pandora, not sure what you did there, but this one is too cute. My suitcases are always primarily pink, so I thought it was perfect. And on this other side, I do like how it has the little Pandora luggage tag. I think that's really cute. And then you have another little heart detail here. So couldn't pass up this little charm, especially with the little handles. So I guess I now have yet another suitcase charm. The bottom has the stamp Pandora right there. So these are the only items that I got during that, again, that really weird, mine was spend $150, get 30% off sale, and it did include the new pieces. I knew the 50% off sale was not going to, so I had to get these with the 30% off offer. It's a pretty good deal. Alright, now we are moving on to the Denmark Style haul. I had to refilm this, which is why my nails changed, because I lost the video clip. We'll go right back into the haul. So the first items that I wanted to see if they were on sale on Denmark Style is the Captivating Black Muranos. And I was so excited that they were. I've had these on my wish list for a long time. It's just, you know, you have to prioritize what you need immediately and what you don't need. And I didn't have a need because my black and gray bracelet is complete. But Now I can add these on there and, you know, maybe change that bracelet design around a little bit. The next charm that I got is the Flowers for You in red. I've gotten a few of these Flowers for You Muranos over, you know, the last few months, and I really like them. So since they still had this one available, I picked this one up. I just like how these ones are made. So the core is a very, very pale pink, and then it's clear, and you have the detail on the glass. I just think these are really pretty, and I miss all the Muranos that Pandora used to make, and I hope they bring them back. You know, we get a new one here and there, but I really would like to see a bigger Murano line Pandora. The next charm I got is the Tunnels of Love in silver. This one has a couple little spots of CZ. I have the gold one of this, and I just love the unique shape of it. Even on the side, if you can kind of see, it's a little bit wavy. I just like that it's unique, and I have been on a mission for the star one, but I can't find it. But really excited that I got this one at 50% off. Last but not least, I got the little snake dangle. I don't know if it's Sly the Snake or if it's part of just the Zodiac line that Pandora had come out with, the Chinese Zodiac, a while back. But either way, I, first of all, love all the dangles that came out of that line. I love the thickness of the bail on these. And then this little guy is just such a cutie with his little tongue. And ever since I was making my Aladdin themed bracelet, I really wanted a snake charm to represent, you know, Jafar's snake staff that he uses to manipulate the Sultan. So really wanted this snake dangle for that. I already had a previous snake charm, I think it's the sparkling snake, but I really didn't want to move it from the bracelet that it's currently on. It has a lot of meaning for that. So here is the final piece I picked up from Denmark Style. Right, so those are the items that I picked up. I'm really happy with, one, getting the Toy Story alien, and then two, what I got from Denmark Style. Pretty excited to style with them at some point, especially the Flowers for You in red. I just have a red theme in mind that I want to do that I haven't exactly put to action, so I gotta get started on that. But one, leave me a comment, let me know if you took advantage of any of the sales that Pandora has recently had, and let me know what was your favorite of the items that I picked. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you all next time.